Manufacturing is an industry like no other. There are a variety of paths to career and financial success, whether it's through on-the-job training, apprenticeship, or 2 to 4 year degrees. Here's food for thought. In the state of Idaho, starting wages in manufacturing are 40% higher than other industries. Combined with stable hours and good benefits, manufacturing offers a career path with plenty of space to learn and earn on the job. Manufacturing covers many industries, from food production to steel fabrication. For example, food processing has grown into an industry that features interesting, dynamic work with careers in mechatronics, computer-controlled machines, and robotics. Bringing food from farm to table takes time, care, and a dedicated team. Let's take a look at global manufacturer Matern, the makers of GoGo squeeZ. The company-wide philosophy of goodness in producing healthy snacks also creates a company culture that results in a fun work environment, promising careers, and happy employees. At GoGo squeeZ, up to 6 varieties of regionally grown apples arrive by truck every morning. Forklift operators, like Fernando, ensure that each crate is handled with care and taken exactly where it needs to be. The operators have a dynamic job, as they move large pallets all over the plant. Here, the apples are perfectly ripe. Andy, the maintenance technician on duty, is checking the apple dumping robot. Each of these machines have a personality, and it's his job to know how to interact with each of them. He works fairly independently, ensuring critical equipment and systems are operating properly and efficiently. Andy has been promoted 2 times and is now a Level 3 utilities maintenance technician. The opportunities for growth and promotion are just as ripe as the apples are. Following a good wash and sort, the apples are turned into a puree. The puree is mixed with other fruits, depending on the blend, and quality checked. As a production operator, Sean uses his technical skills developed on the job to make sure that each batch meets the high standards of taste and quality. The sauce is then put into pouches and sent off to distribution. The cases are sorted, stacked, and wrapped by palletizer operator Aurora. Her job requires a robust understanding of computer-controlled robotics. Manufacturing is not the dark, boring job of the past. The industry as a whole has elevated itself through cleanliness, lighting, and a productive, fun work environment. Food manufacturers across the state of Idaho have similar opportunities and are looking for you to start a career today. With competitive wages, great benefits, and education on the job, your future career in manufacturing is just a click away. To learn more about career opportunities that match your interests and goals, visit forgingfuturesidaho.org. This message has been brought to you by Forging Futures Idaho, an Idaho Manufacturing Alliance initiative.